Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can get CashApp Money. So to get money through CashApp, you'll need to follow these steps. So first of all, you need to create an account. So for that, you need to download the application. So go to your respective app store or your Play Store, and then on the search box type in CashApp. Find CashApp, so click the install button and then install the application. Once you're done installing the application, you'll need to create an account. So make sure to go through the creation. So basically, to create an account, all you have to do is just provide in your contact details, create a username, password and all that. And after you're done with that procedure, now you'll be taken to the home page that's going to look something like this. So here you need to add a debit card, credit card or bank account to your CashApp account. So you can do this by entering the card details or linking your bank account as well. After that, you need to ask someone to send you money using a CashApp username, that is cash tag, or your linked phone number or email address associated with your CashApp account. Once you've done that, you can request money from someone by sending them a request through CashApp as well. Just you have to select the person from your contact and enter the amount you want to request. Also, make sure to request the money, you have to make sure that the following contact also has a CashApp account. And after that, if you have a CashApp card or cash card, you can use it to withdraw money from ATMs or make purchases wherever Visa is accepted. Sometimes CashApp also offers cashback reward for using your CashApp at certain retailers or when making specific purchase. So take advantages of these offers to earn after that. And if you are a business owner or provider or provide services, you can receive payment directly through CashApp card by providing your cash tag or QR code to your customer as well. So that is how you can get money through CashApp. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.